Hello dear crafters, here's Tinne from Victoria Designs. I just wanted to make a helpful video of how to convert a lot of printables that are JPEG files into one handy long PDF. Some people prefer JPEG, other people prefer PDF. And since a few years our latest kits are all PDF and JPEG, but a lot of our earlier work we only provide in JPEG. But if you like PDF better, it's handier for you to print or anything, or JPEGs just are messing with your computer, these things happen, well then this video is really going to help you. You can make these PDFs yourself and I'm going to show you right now. So you go to this website, it is completely free, there's a link in the description as well. There are no limits, so you can use it over and over again. And I'm just going to go to one of our kits and I just select all the sheets from this kit and I drag them into this window. See them coming? I'm just going to skip to the part that they're all loaded. So it took me about 4 minutes to have this whole kit loaded. Now you see that some of the pages are horizontal, some are vertical. If you want to turn some around, so everything is vertical or everything is horizontal, you can just click on these arrows here and see these get changed. And this way you can have all your pages into the right direction. And if you want to change the order of the pages, you can just swap them by clicking and dragging them into the right direction. And then at the bottom you also have page size. So for me it says A4, but if I want a letter page, there it's a letter page. And then you have this big orange button, Create PDF. Click it and it is creating the PDF as we speak. There, and it's ready. And now I can just preview it, erase it. If I don't want it, restart again, or just what we're here for, download. Now I can choose the folder in which it is downloaded. I can give it a name, Big Kit, and save it. And it is now downloading to my computer. And when I open it, you see how great and crisp these images are. And now I have one long PDF with all the pages. So, and that is how you turn a lot of sheets that are in JPEG into one handy PDF.